September 7, Day 2, Night 3, featuring Osaka Castle, Hep 5 Ferris Wheel, and Umeda Sky Building. From Shitennoji Station, we boarded a train via Osaka Metro Tanimachi line and hopped off at Tabimachi Station after only around 5 minutes. We used our Osaka Amazing Pass to access the train without paying in cash. Before going to Osaka Castle, you must know that it will require physical strength, so consider you and your companion's condition first. Upon exiting the train, we just followed the signs leading to Osaka Castle, and after around 15 minutes of walking, we arrived at the place where Osaka Museum of History and NHK Broadcasting Center are located. We walked over to the side of the museum as instructed by the maps. If you have spare time and money, you might want to visit this museum to know more about the history of Osaka. The distance from the museum to the castle is around 3 to 4 kilometers depending on the route you'll take, so it will be helpful to always check the map. Also, if you can, please have a meal first before going there. If you're planning to go to Osaka Castle the same day we did, please bring your umbrella and at least a bottle of water to protect yourself from too much heat and dehydration. I must say, the long walk to Osaka Castle was worth it. It was really very beautiful. You may dress up to complement its beauty, but please wear comfy. Inside the castle is a museum with exhibits about the castle itself. It can be accessed for free if you have an Osaka Amazing Pass. Osaka Castle Park covers more than 105 hectares. Although it is located in the center of Osaka, it is a place of recreation and relaxation to many locals and foreigners. After some time, we headed to Morinomiya Station and took JR Osaka Loop line to go to Osaka Station. We paid cash for our train tickets. From Osaka Station, we walked more than a kilometer to reach Hep 5 Building. Along the way, we passed by gigantic buildings and shopping centers like in front of one side of Yodobashi Umeda is a bell clock from which we could already oversee Hep 5 Ferris Wheel. But before going there, we first had a meal at one of the restaurants in Hankyu. Located at the center of Umeda, Hep 5 is basically a shopping mall, but what makes it unique is the huge red Ferris wheel that sits on its top. The 75-meter diameter wheel has 52 four-seater gondolas. At the highest, gondolas reach 106 meters above the ground, and it takes 15 minutes to complete one circuit. To enjoy overlooking the city, I suggest going here during sunset so it's not too bright nor too dark. From Hep 5, we walked at least a kilometer to reach Umeda Sky Building. This building consists of 2 separate towers that are joined at the top by a ring-like observation deck. We took the escalator to go to the 3rd floor and used the elevator to go to the 35th floor. We then took the connecting mid-air escalator that led us to the 39th floor where the gallery shop is located. I suggest taking pictures while you are on your way up rather than when you're on your way down. We took another escalator to go to the 40th floor, which provides a closed-window 360-degree view observatory and contains a gallery of the making and vision of the Sky Building. We then climbed the stairs up to the open-air rooftop to finally see the city of Osaka around 170 meters from the ground. It was quite peaceful at the rooftop. You can feel the breeze of the wind while enjoying the view. Going home, we walked towards Umeda Station and rode a train via Midosuji line. We hopped off at Dobotsuen-mae Station and walked to our hotel to end the night.